Hey Rita, this is Bobby with your free action plan video that I promised you a couple of days ago. It's going to show you how to increase your online presence and grow your revenue. I discovered a couple of things that I really want to show you. If at the end of the video you like what you saw and want to take advantage of it on your own, then go ahead. But of course, that's what I'm here for, so I can help you with any questions that you may have. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this tool that I use. It's called AHREFS. So I put in the search bar painters in Fort Worth, and it's telling me that it's searched approximately 250 times every month with a cost per click value of $15, which means if anyone runs an ad to Google for these words, they're going to pay $15 each time somebody clicks on their ad. But you also see over here that it has a keyword difficulty ranking of 2, which means that it's easy to rank and with that word even without an ad. So I'm going to show you what all of that means. I go back to the Google search bar and I typed painters in Fort Worth up top again. And so this is the ad section that I was telling you about. And the thing about the ad section is that some computers nowadays come with ad blockers on their browsers. So if anybody who's searching for painters in Fort Worth has that, then this section is not going to even come up on them. The next section I want to show you is the map pack or the Google My Business page. So you get your Google My Business page listed on here with a couple of different ways. One of the first ways to get up here is depending on how many citations you have. A citation is your name, address, and phone number exactly the way it's listed right here in Google. So you want to put them in as many directories as possible. You need to have at least 3 or 4 times the amount as your top competitor. Another thing that gets you ranked on here is how many Google reviews you have. They have 113, so in order for you to beat them at that, you need to have 2 or 3 times the amount as well. So I click on here. Whenever I click on their name, it pops up their Google My Business page, and that brings me to another thing that'll help you rank. You see right here, they have a lot of pictures right there. We need to make sure that you have pictures on your GMB page and make them optimized with keywords so that Google will rank you up top. So whenever I was trying to search your Google My Business page, I noticed that you don't have one. So that'll actually be your first step into getting onto this map section right here. So I was telling you about citations. I have this tool that's called White Spark. It tells me how many citations everyone have. The top competitor has 21, so you need probably you need to double or even triple that. And so I looked yours up. Okay, I did look yours up and I saw that you had 1 citation. It's not on here anymore, but you have 1 citation. So we need to add a lot to that right there. So whenever I scroll down to the next page or to the next section, it brings me to this right here. This is the organic section, and this is where you get your website rank if it has the right things on it. So Google wants you to have at least 1,500 words on your website because Google ranks the person up here or ranks the page up here that has the most content or the most knowledge. But it's not just content alone. You have to have keyword rich content. So make sure you have the right keywords up there. So I clicked on Southern Painting to do a word count, and it's telling me that they have 636 words. So they probably have one of the most amount of words in that industry. So that's easy to beat. We just need to double it, even triple it. So you don't have a website, so I wasn't able to do your word count. But it's not just words alone that's going to get you on there. Google wants to know Google wants to know that you're trusted and your popularity throughout the internet. So you need to get as many backlinks as possible onto your web page. So the way you do that is you go to another relevant website and you just ask them to put your backlink on there that's going to point back to you. So I'm back on this AHREFS website right here, and I put in southernpainandfortworth.com onto here, showing me that they have 116 backlinks from 15 referring domains. So that's 15 websites that's given them that much backlinks. This also shows me how many organic keywords they have. So they have 36 or 37 organic keywords, even though they only have about 300 words on their page. So that's something that we can easily beat. So these things right here alone are giving them organic traffic of 119 visits every month, and the traffic value is 1.3 thousand. If you look down here, it says PPC 0. So they're not paying any ads to Google right now. So basically, those are the 3 things that I wanted to go over for you. Your first step, of course, is to get your Google My Business page. I can help you get that set up for you and put all the right things on it. You also need to get as many citations as possible. The second thing is keyword-rich content. And the third thing is backlinks. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Let me know what you think, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.